Somewhat related to the concept of scientific notation is the concept of order of magnitude. Order of magnitude, if you remember, representing the speed of light as 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light. And is this in scientific notation? Yes, it is. This is a number lying between 1 and 10, and this is 10 raised to some power, 10 raised to some exponent, a positive exponent. So order of magnitude, this thing, the power of 10 defines the order of magnitude of things. Okay, it can be length, it can be mass. Let's take a look at the different physical quantities that we will be dealing with and their orders of magnitude. As you can see here, the mass of a hydrogen atom is very, very small, 10 to the power minus 24, of the order of 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Okay, so unit, this is the unit in which the mass has been measured. Even if you measure it in grams, it's going to be this much. Then someone would say, why don't you measure it in milligrams? Even if you measure it in milligrams, it would be 10 to the power minus 21 milligrams. Yeah, so this is the order if we are measuring it in grams. Similarly, the mass of a raindrop is of the order of 10 to the power minus 3. That means roughly you can say 0.005 can be the mass of a raindrop in grams. The mass of a human, a person, is of the order of 10 to the power 5 grams, in grams, remember, okay? Mass of the earth, mass of the sun, this order, you can just go through this, take a look, and figure out the order of things that we have to study, okay? Milky Way galaxy, the mass, the total mass is of this order. That's huge. Similarly, if we talk about lengths and we try to measure it in meters, diameter of a hydrogen atom is of the order of these many meters. Diameter of raindrop, these many meters. Height of a human person in meters, it could be 1.2 meters or 0.5 meters. So this is approximately 1 meter, okay? So that is the order, okay? You can multiply that number n with it, which lies between 1 and 10. So diameter of Earth is, we all know that, 10 to the power 7. Similarly, diameter of the Sun of the order of this, of the order of radius of Milky Way is of the order of this. So what does this order of magnitude help us do? It helps us compare quantities. It helps us compare the diameter of the Sun with the diameter of the Earth. So if someone asks, how big is the Sun compared to the Earth? So what does order of magnitude help us do? It helps us compare quantities. If we have to compare the mass of a hydrogen atom versus the mass of a raindrop. And the question is, how heavy is the mass of a raindrop compared to the mass of an hydrogen atom? Then we can take a ratio and give the answer.